can't even express how often I'm asked about these right here. It's that 2 top, 2 bottom sterling silver joints. Top and bottom set going for $250. Top and bottom sterling silver fangs. That's top fangs, bottom fangs. How they fit, just like that. Just tightened them. They was actually very loose, but I just tightened them, so the top and bottom is fitting real tight, real snug right now. Especially when you're rocking these singles, man, they gotta be in there very tight, fitting around them joints, cause like they gotta, I don't want you being out somewhere and they just pop out on you. These things gotta be very tight. Sorry, y'all, my hands are still just a little bit dirty, but I'm ready. Tighten, just tighten. So if you want to get you a set like this, 2 top, 2 bottom, sterling silver joints, about $250. DM us or give us a call. If you don't know the number, you know I'm gonna hook you up. 206-250-0833. It's the business line, y'all. Look forward to hearing from you. Got a couple more pieces I'm about to work on. The 10 top, 10 bottom. That's the 20-piece sterling silver I got to do next. So that one will be looking like this bad boy real soon. Appreciate y'all, man. So the sterling silver gives off like that platinum type look. It's that white gold sheen, you know, for a much cheaper price, of course. You can also, if you want, this is only upon request, add gold plating. We only do that on silver. It's not needed on gold, but we only do that on silver. Gold is only needed if you want to go a little darker on the tone, but it's always going to be solid gold. Solid silver, you can still add the plating on it and it give you that gold look. A few different jeweler tricks that's been going on for centuries. You know what I mean? So 2 on top, 2 on bottom, sterling silver, y'all. Yes, you can. I'm doing this video because I've been having a whole lot of people inboxing us asking about this. So I just wanted to service you guys' needs on this one right here. Yes, we do cover-ups, we do gaps, we do grills, you guys. We look forward to doing a grill for you. And like I said, this is the sterling silver joint. I've never done a video on sterling silver top and bottom fangs. So I'm gonna go be shooting a nice professional photo, nice video, and get that joint up here for all my silver lovers. I do the hashtag silver love for all my people who just flat out love Silver Grillz, guys. And silver jewelry, period. This is for you. Silver jewelry. Who says silver ain't beautiful? Crazy. Sorry, y'all, just got off the freeway. Just got in the shop, getting busy. So man, tap in, y'all. Feel free to get with your guys, man. We look forward to working for you. Y'all have a great week. Stay tapped in and stay on something positive. Peace.